I'm taking my Scuderia to the HTL.
Just look at this madness, guys.
You guys can tell it's from the FI exhaust.
Just listen to this, guys.
Yo, what's going on everybody? It's me, Danny P. Today, I'm taking my Scuderia to the HTL. HTL already got the header and test pipe for this car. You guys already know this car already has an agency power full titanium exhaust. So we're just gonna go add test pipe and header. So it's gonna be sounds crazy, amazing. Oh, sub S2K, sitting pretty. Okay, Scuderia key. All right guys, let's hear some cold start. Here we go, my backup camera. Here's my radar. You guys ready? It's not that loud, to be honest. You guys can really actually hear it from the inside, but it is pretty loud outside though. All right, my Scuderia Scud. Okay, so many people told me about the pronounce, like how I say Scuderia, whatever it is. Yeah, my 430 is ready to take off. See you S2K, AMG, Ferrari rolls. I'll see you guys later, okay? All right, peace. Let's go. I can't wait to see the brand new FI header and test pipe by Ferrari. Scuderia, What's up? Hey. Nice haircut. All right, here's the box from the FI exhaust. Ooh, look at this header. You guys can tell it's from the FI exhaust. Zoom in. And here's the test pipe. You guys see that there's no cat at all. It's gonna be loud.
Alright, pulling out the cat. Man, look at this. Look at
Guys, it's done. Let's see. We have to hear how loud it is. All right, guys, there we go. I think this is the best sound car. It's not the loudest, but this is the best car sound I've ever had. This is like the best car sound I ever had in my life. 야, 죽는다 이거. Oh my god. Hey, this is like a best car sound like I ever had in my life. Yeah, it's like a best car sound. Like number one. It doesn't matter loud, like how loud. It's like a tone. Yeah, tone is like number one tone.
What's going on, guys? This is your boy Wes, back on the vlog. It's too loud in here. See you guys in a little bit. Oh yeah, guys, we're in the Scud today. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my lord. Everyone knows Danny. Jesus. Too much attention, guys. Woo! We got a Scion XP recording. Woohoo! Make some noise. Alright guys, this is literally with windows up. Oh my lord. It's so loud. FI exhaust, guys, FI exhaust. FI test pipe on the 430 Scud. It sounds amazing, guys. It is a heavenly sound that all car enthusiasts will and should love, guys. I swear to God, guys, this car is the closest thing you are going to get with F1 sound. Like, just listen to this, guys. So that is the FI test pipe with agency power rear exhaust. The FI test pipe just brings the whole exhaust to life. The way it resonates so high is it's just insane. It sounds Formula One. I swear to God, guys. If you ever see this car, you will know. I personally think that this Scud is louder than Danny's 458. Danny's 458. I literally am pretty speechless right now. The way this car, the sound at the high RPM, it's like music to all car enthusiasts. It's like an orgasm for your ear, guys. I swear, it's insane. This car is louder than D's downshift. Alright guys, we're here at HTL right now. Holy crap, freaking FI exhaust, guys. It is phenomenal. The sound that it made, like, it just resonated. The agency power exhaust is amazing, and then the FI exhaust just made it resonate like. Let's get it. We are in the Rolls Royce Ghost. Oh my God, this thing is a freaking land yacht, yo. Oh, wow, turning. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. We're gonna go get some lunch and then enjoy more of the Ferrari. And I will see you guys soon. Yo, guys, check this out. In the Rolls Royce right now, we're gonna watch the Spirit of Ecstasy right there, guys. We're gonna lower. Oh, yeah. And then raise. Oh, yeah, guys. Alright guys, seriously, we're gonna get some lunch now. I'll see you guys in a bit. Whoa. Alright guys, we just finished lunch. Freaking Danny's scaring everybody with the freaking crazy test pipes, FI test pipes on the Scud. We got these nuts right there. Yay. And then we're gonna hop into the Rolls Royce and we're gonna head over to Roselli, go take a visit to the Aventador. Here we go. Woo! Oh my God. Listen to that, guys. Freaking the 430 Scud with the FI test pipe and agency power rear. Titanium it's just crazy, guys. All right, D, what do you think of the sound, bro?
Sound like the Ferrari, the Schumacher days.
Oh damn, bro!
Yeah, busting up the history,
dude,
bro.
Ford versus Ferrari, right? Oh damn! So we're here at the 76 gas station takeover. We're freaking D's nuts. Got Danny right here, and the Rolls Royce Ghost. These nuts, what are you doing? Oh yeah. Damn, bro, are those limited edition Crocs?
Oh yeah.
Oh hell yeah, dude! Matching the BBS. As I see. Oh god, that thing's freaking loud. Oh my god. Oh, wait for me, guys! Wait for me! Ah! Whoa! Oh, what's up, B? What's up? What's going on, brother? Guys, we just got to Roselli's right here, and Danny freaking parked in the front. Freaking front row parking. We at Roselli's, guys. Oh, I hear the Aventador. Let's go, guys. Oh, I'm on the way. Buddy. Woo! Oh my God, it's so loud. Alright guys, see you next week. Roselli's. Woo! Let's go. Whoa. Crap, it's so loud. It was so loud that it was setting alarms off. Like, alright guys, we're here in Santana Row right now. About to get some blue coffee. Let's go. Alright Danny, what do you think?
What do you mean, what do I think?
About getting your Ventador back?
Not yet. We'll see.
See? What do you mean?
Huh?
Oh wow. Dude, I know you're excited, bro. It's a Urus.
Chris, we got the hat.
Oh, we have Agent Chris right there. Oh yeah, buddy. Hey look, it's a drug dealer. Dog.
He responded again. Okay.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Alright guys, here we go. Cold start on the 430 Scud. Oh my god, guys, that's so loud! Holy crap, freaking the Scud is so loud. Whoa! Woo! Here we go! Hi D. Hi D. Hi D. D, hi. He's not gonna notice us, guys. We're not noticeable. Hi D. Wow. So driving the land yacht, guys, this car is a very interesting car. As you can see, it is a Rolls-Royce Ghost. This car is very comfortable actually and super sick. And this car gets a lot of attention and I like it. Oh damn, bro, D's about to get freaking destroyed by the police right now, watch. Oh god. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. We're casually just at Protect Philippe. Danny, you have a piece of gum under your shoe. So, we're in SF right now. Danny is downstairs with this 430 Scud. And holy crap, it just got a brand new FI exhaust. Y'all gotta freaking hear this thing. Words can't describe it, it's freaking loud. This guy took like 10 minutes to get the hell out of this freaking garage. Like, freaking, I'm just waiting for Danny to get up here so we can hear the exhaust. So I'm slowly gonna enter the ticket here, just really slowly. So this way's up. Let's see. Oh, it's so hard to get. Oh, okay, we gotta move now. All right, we got Danny behind us now. Let's give a listen to this thing. Holy crap, I can hear it growling already. Damn, Danny. Freaking crazy guy right here. We got the straight pipes in SF. Look at these buildings, they are the best for sound to bounce off of. Oh god. There goes the first alarm.
Yo, is that a Supra?
Oh, yeah it is, bro. Look up on Instagram, Danny P1818. It's gonna be on YouTube. Danny P1818. Check it out. Alright, for sure. Damn, fool! Wow, guys, holy. The freaking Scud just got like amplified, like, holy, like, oh my god. This thing, especially through San Francisco, the city, oh my ears don't even need to hurt in the open. They hurt like this, like, oh my god, guys. Yo, damn, taking pictures of the Scud. And here we go, guys. We got the Scud again. Woo! Woo! thumbs up from the coppers. I don't even know where the hell Danny went. He went maybe downstairs? Oh yeah, there you are. Holy f***! Oh my god! You won't rev it, Danny? You won't rev it? Rev it, rev it.
Damn. You guys like my new stabilizer? Now we got the two shippy cars. Time to go race.